Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If I told you that this tiny box is a 45-in-1 screwdriver kit, would you believe it? This top quality precision screwdriver set from KBCSUN has totally exceeded my expectations. So the screwdriver kit is housed in this little aluminum box, which is very durable. It's also super compact and it's really easy to store. It has a self-eject button, which actually is what pops out the kit itself. And this kit contains 44 different tips for your screwdriver, as well as tweezers and a little pry bar, which is perfect for opening up electronics cases or different parts. It really has everything that you need. There is a large variety of sizes and style tips, so this really is a very complete set. And the nice thing about this is all these tips are magnetic to the base itself, and they are all labeled with the different sizes and also what type of head they have. So it is very well organized. It is super efficient on space. So when you're ready to go ahead and work on your project, you pop up your screwdriver handle and then you just simply place the appropriate tip into the holder, and this is magnetic as well, and it's going to hold it in place. There is also a spinning function to the end of this, so you can hold on to that and actually spin the handle itself, which just sometimes allows you to get a little bit more precise. So I have already found so many uses for this. I'm so happy to have it, and honestly, I wish I had gotten it a long time ago. This is a very useful kit for so many things that just come up in everyday life where you need to have little precise screwdrivers. It is very complete, very good quality, and it is so thoughtfully designed and put together. I am just so impressed with it, and that is my point of view.